In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an MP3 file to Chatgpt-4. Whether you're looking to transcribe audio, analyze content, or simply explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, the journey begins by opening ChatGPT. You can do this by navigating to the ChatGPT website on your favorite web browser. This step is straightforward if you're already familiar with accessing online tools, but if you're new, just do a quick web search for ChatGPT, and you should be able to find the official page with ease. Once you have ChatGPT open, it's time to log into your account. Enter your credentials correctly. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. This typically involves providing an email address and creating a password, along with verifying your email address. Once logged in, you should be directed to the main dashboard of ChatGPT. Next, you'll want to start a new chat. If you're on the home interface, look for a button or link that allows you to initiate a conversation. It's usually labeled something straightforward like New Chat, making it easy to find. Starting a fresh chat ensures you're working with a clean slate and can keep interactions organized, especially if you plan to upload multiple files. Now, let's move on to uploading your MP3 file. Look for the paperclip icon within the chat interface. This icon symbolizes an attachment feature, much like in email services, where you can attach documents or files. Clicking on this icon will allow you to select files from your device. Select your MP3 file by navigating through your device's file explorer. Ensure that you know the location of the MP3 file you wish to upload beforehand, so the process is seamless. Once you've located the correct file, click to select it. ChatGPT will begin the process of recognizing your chosen file. It's crucial to tell ChatGPT what you'd like to do with the uploaded audio. This step is where the power of ChatGPT really comes to the fore, enabling it to tailor its responses. You might instruct ChatGPT to transcribe the audio, analyze the content, or perform another specific task. Clear, concise instructions will help achieve the desired results. Finally, after giving your instructions, ChatGPT, powered by GPT-4o, will begin processing. It will listen to the audio file, carry out the transcription, or analyze it based on your request, and provide you with a detailed reply. This automated response makes it easier for users to handle audio files efficiently and conveniently. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to uploading an MP3 file to Chatgpt-4. I hope this was helpful, and you're now ready to make full use of this feature. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments.